At 9:35 this morning, the options market was pricing a 30-point move for SPX today. By 3:35 this afternoon, that number was 5. Same index, same expiration. In between, dealer Delta Net went from negative 798,000 to negative 2,267,000. Something got squeezed today, and it wasn't an accident. A session that opens with a 30-point implied move and closes pricing 5 looks calm on a chart. It was not calm underneath. That kind of compression means dealers were leaning on price the entire day, quietly, and the tape barely blinked while it happened. Going into the day, SPY was up roughly 0.25%, a mild positive bias with no reason to expect fireworks. The signal run that morning flagged semiconductor names on the long side and SVV on the short side. None of that touched the SPX level story. At the open, this index was sitting in negative gamma, right under a 7,800 call wall. At 9:35, total gamma exposure read negative 0.06 billion. Spot was 7,753. The gamma wall sat at 7,800. And dealer Delta Net was already negative 798,000. In negative gamma, dealers don't dampen moves. They amplify them. That's the setup nobody was talking about at the open. By 10:35, the regime flipped. Total gamma exposure went positive, 0.08 billion. And the gamma wall dropped to 7780. With a zero gamma line appearing right above it at 7785. Spot had slipped to 7,743. Here's the part nobody was looking at. Dealer Delta Net moved from negative 798,000 to negative 1,999,000 in that single hour. That is not a routine hedge adjustment. That's a scramble. The rest of the day was the same fight in slow motion. The gamma wall slid to 7750 by 12:35, back up to 7780 by 1:35, down again to 7750 by 2:35, then closed near 7760 by 3:35. Spot never left a tight band the entire session, bottoming at 7,742.93 and topping at 7,756.11, about 13 points, wall to wall. Max Pain sat at 7,700 all day and did not move once. The mechanics here are simple once you see them. Positive gamma means dealers sell into rallies and buy into dips to stay hedged. And that's exactly what a 5-point implied move by the close looks like. A market held in place by its own hedging flow, not by any news. Spot finished the day around 52 points above max pain, and the gamma wall kept sliding down toward it instead of away. When a wall behaves like that in positive gamma, the tape has tended to stay tight until the wall itself decays or something forces a re-hedge. That's a description of what this kind of SPX structure can do, not a forecast for tomorrow. Scoreboard check. The public record currently shows one flagged call, and the data doesn't yet show a confirmed outcome logged against it. Today didn't add a new call either. This was a pure structure day. Gamma wall sliding, dealer delta net stretching, implied move compressing from 30 points to 5. The open question for tomorrow is whether that 7760 wall keeps decaying towards spot, or whether dealer delta net snaps back the other way. Watch the mechanics, not the noise.